So, I think I'm cute like a Furby. Like, you don't know if I'm really cute or kind of creepy? But either way, it's gonna be very awkward right now. And you know I'm single. No, I am single, because dating's rough, right? Yeah? And you gotta do a lot of stuff. You gotta get dressed up, clean up, pick them up. That's a plus. Gotta have manners, gotta open up doors, gotta pull out chairs, hold the purse, get the check. Make McDonald's the best ever. For your sister. And, I'm kidding. I'm thinking Arby's. Anyway, no, I say sister because I'm actually adopted, which, that makes dating rough. It's hard enough asking a girl for a phone number, right? Try asking for a DNA sample. I'll tell you where. Hi, I'm Bobby Byrne. I'm telling jokes. But I'm cute. Thank you for me. Thank you. Found out that my birth dad was also adopted, which makes me third generation adopted. So ladies, you're planning on having a kid you want to give up. Email me. Right? It's fun. I live in a small town up in Rocky Mountain National Park called Estes Park, Colorado. Anybody heard of it? No. It's crazy up there. It's a tourist town, so in the summertime there's like 20,000 people up there, but in the wintertime there's like 20 people there. But the tourists are quite, like my graduating class was me, an elk, and a teacher. It was awesome. The tourists up there though, they ask weird questions. They're like, when did the deer turn into elk? January? Where do you keep them at night? Bill's house. Except for those $3 down there I play poker with on Wednesday nights. And lose. Nothing to do in a small town. Have to come up with games to play. My favorite game, and I'm gonna leave you with this, my favorite game to play is a game called Shopping for Others. And that's where you just grab random items and throw them in their cart. And imagine the possibilities. You guys have been a lot of fun. I'm Bobby Byrne. Be happy laughing.